Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my Avengers TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Usamgelo.
Sibo kunjani Sibo?
Ngiyaphila kunjani mbrother?
Sibo igame namhlanje Sibo kodwa ake ngiqale ngokuthi as Orlando Pirates ne we are trendsetters.
Yes.
We are trendsetters.
Yes. Yes.
Buka Sibo last week ne Saturday ne?
Yeah.
We sold out.
Yes.
Lentuze Loftus.
Yes.
Ngolesithathu Kingswell ithini sold out. Namhlanje sold out.
Yeah.
So we are trendsetters thina as amabhakani.
Yes.
Okay Siba ake ngize kwigame namhlanje ne.
Mange.
Igame namhlanje starting line up ucoach Wadu ukhombisile ukuthi namhlanje uzolentuza ufuna amagoli ne nge starting line up asethile.
Yes.
But ke iproblem ibe sekutheni abadlali abakhombisanga ukuthi balentuze bakora amagoli ngalendlela ekufanele besilindele ngayo yabo ngoba namhlanje besilindele ukuthi mhlambe maybe sowina noma ngofonile but akwenzekanga ukuthi kube kanjalo but yona igame ihambe kahle abafana badlale kahle. Remember usithibe ukuthi kule lentuza le kule competition le iPirates ayina inhlanhla ne but today sithola ukuthi sikwi final ne and fanele ukuthi na kanjani siwine le final yabo ngoba vele Arsenal lentuza igame elihle kule cup le. So ngiyathemba ukuthi ngiyabelieve ukuthi going forward sizoyiwina le cup le
njalo futhi.
Ngibonge Siba ngifuna ukuba mude kakhulu.
Man of the match nje Siba.
Man of the match yami ngicela ukuyinikeza uMorem. Hayi uMorem namhlanje mfethu ungidlala. Hayi quality ngempela namhlanje. Angibonela inye ibhola namhlanje kuyena. Engathi umboka mhlambe bangayishare amnikeza enze njengoba apolice wenza nje kade lentuzo wayishare nambokazi ngazi ukuthi naye ulentuza bangayishare. So man of the match yami uMorem ngiyabonga Siba.
Thank you Jayama. Ya uyibekile asibonge. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?